guys, welcome to our stateroom. Want to go ahead and give you a tour. We are on deck 7, room 7686. We are in a spacious ocean view balcony room. Grant's always already making himself comfortable. So immediately when you come in, you're going to have your bathroom to the right. So here's your shower. Just open the doors up. It's just stand up shower. We're gonna test it and see how well Grant fits in it, because it may be tight for him. Pretty decent bathroom. And then to the left, you've got some closet space like you would have in a hotel. So just some hangers, some shelves, not drawers, and then a safe. Where you put things in. You'll notice you've got your life jackets in this one, and also some instructions on the back of the door about how to use your life jacket, where your assembly station is in the case of an emergency. So I'll show you the rest of the room. So you've got some desk space here, couch. How's the couch room? Comfy? Yes, no, maybe so. Tiny little television, if you guys can see that. And this is our bed. Little bedside tables to go with it as well. We've also got some welcome aboard paperwork. Now for the fun part. View's not really great right now because we're still in port, but this is our balcony, and honestly it's pretty spacious. Like, I feel like this may be bigger than some hotel balconies, but that's where we got on the ship, right over there. That's where we parked the car, so it's all really close together. That's where you'll go through security, and you'll show your passport and your negative COVID results and your vaccine cards. And then that's just kind of what's around you. Again, nothing special, but not a bad space out here. I'll show you the view once we get going, but got some little lamps. The bed looks pretty nice. We'll let you guys know in the morning how well that goes, but that's our room. Wave bye, honey.
Bye.